video, I'm gonna go over a console organizer for a Ford F-150. So I've got this truck and it didn't have anything in this top. This is a huge console right here, and I really like this console, but there's a big opening right here and all the stuff would fall down in the bottom. Check out how nice this all looks. I can put my wallet here, some extra pins. That's actually a little flashlight right there, some spare keys, my chapstick, and then it has all of this change holder right here for tolls or anything, or spare change. But here's another nice feature of this. So I have a charge port down at the bottom. I don't like having my phone all up in this area. Sometimes I will run it right here, but I like being able to toss it in here. They actually added a little opening right here, and these are little silencing pads. You can actually pull these out and clean them, but once they're in there tough, everybody. So I can't stand it when I'm moving, when I'm driving, I hear things rattling around. But look how I can have this on charge right there. But if I don't want it on charge, I can take it off, and my phone holds in here nicely, and then I can put my chapstick up there, close it up, and it's out of the way. This is one of the best organizers I've seen for this vehicle. I had another one, but it slid from side to side and I didn't like it. I wanted to fill this whole area up, and that's what I got, and I highly recommend this thing. Very well made, fits just like it's factory made, locks in the existing here. If you want to take it out, you can kind of lift up. So if I want to get under it, what I do, I just pretty much, it's hard to do it with one hand, I just lift up and put my hand. I'm not going to take it out, but you can lift it up, reach down in there, put whatever you want. But I put everything in this top right here, and it works just perfect. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the console organizer. See you on the next video.